we are very certain that the 3% affordable rate will go on. We have projected until 2035 and we can afford as long as we are able to balance our investment. This, as of October 9, we have strengthened 4PH not just as a housing initiative but as a complete financing ecosystem. So nagtatanong siguro kayo, may na-take out na kayo sa 4PH. Kasi ang natatandaan ng tao, 24 lang ang na-take out namin noong 2024. Tama po yun. 24 lang ang na-take out noong 2024. But as of October 9, 2025, a total of 2,291 housing units have been taken out under the program with loan releases amounting to 3.45 billion pesos. This is over and above the almost 4 billion pesos that we have released in the form of developmental loans. There are several private contractors where we extended 4PH developmental loan and isinama na rin namin ang key shelter agencies like the NHA and the Social Housing Finance Corporation. We lent money to SSFC so that they can produce socialized housing units. Take note, hindi po kami nagpo-produce ng about socialized. Kasi that's yours. Wala lang kasi inventaryo ng socialized. But if you will accelerate your production of socialized housing units, ay titigil na naman kami mag-finance na socialized. Kaya lang wala eh. Pababa ng pababa ang take out namin sa socialized units. And we are also considering partnership with private stakeholders who plans to go into socialized housing. It can be in the form of us investing into preferred shares, or kung gusto nyo naman, mag-joint venture tayo. You own the property, we do the financing of the construction of the building. Pwede din po yun. Lahat na lang pwedeng gawin, inilalatag na namin. Pagka wala mo talaga, ay hindi ko na alam na ginagawin. Kami na, di ba? Kami na, gagawa. Just 4 months, ito, isa pang innovation ko. More than 31,372 members have registered in our 4PH online registration facility. This is new kasi under the old 4PH, kailangan yung beneficiary makipag-coordinate sa LGU. Medyo mabagal yata. So, nag-open na lang kami ng online registration para doon na sila mismo mag-register. So, yan. 4 months lang, 31,372 members na. This success was made possible with the help of our partners, including TREBA, who helped us promote the program. Pero, since may mga interested buyers tayo, then we have to produce the units. Kundi, sasabihin din, asa ng bahay? Diba? We are now fast-tracking the pre-qualification of applicants so they can take the next step toward home ownership. Yung mga nagre-register po, qualify na po namin. So that they will know magkano ang pwede nilang utangin. Pagpunta nila sa inyo, alam nyo na dapat kung magkano. Pag-ibig Fund plays a key role by providing the long-term, low-interest financing that makes 4PH projects viable. Our financing structure supports both developers and home buyers, ensuring that every project remains sustainable from construction to occupancy. Take note, again, I said sustainable because we do not want just units constructed. Kailangan mabenta at mapunta sa mga gustong magkaroon ng sariling bahay. For home buyers, 3% early bird interest rate for the first 30,000 qualified borrowers makes a profound impact. It reduces monthly amortizations by up to 3,500 pesos for a socialized house and lot worth 850,000. So yung horizontal worth 850,000 ay 3,500 na lang po ang monthly amortization. That's a monthly savings of 1,695 and translated into daily, that's 63 pesos. Ang kantsaw ko nga, pag ang minimum wage na increase, 40 pesos, di ba? Ito, 63 pesos per day ang masisave natin. Because of the interest subsidy coming from Pag-ibig Fund. Di ba ang regular rate is 6.25? Binaba natin sa 3%. So naghihilig na lang talaga ng inventory. For developers, we have streamlined our take-out and collection mechanisms, enhanced digital loan processing. Pero pati kayo, naninibago, meron na kaming digital submission of documents, ayaw nyo pa din. Gusto nyo pa rin yung mano-mano dadalhin sa opisina namin. And partnered with DISUD and LGUs to reduce project risk while ensuring timely repayment. In short, the 4PH model is not only a housing framework, but also a financing solution that creates a lasting and multiplied impact. And while the 4PH stands as one of our flagship models, we also recognize that inclusive housing cannot rely on just one approach. That is why we continue to diversify our financing pathways that meet our members' needs every stage of their lives. Through our regular housing loan program, bago na lang po ito, we provide options with interest rates starting at 4.5% for horizontal projects. Talagang nasilahan na yata kami ng bait. So, for horizontal house and land packages above 850 to 1.8 million, we recently approved reducing the interest rate from 6.25 to 4.5% for first-time home buyers. Kasi yun nga ang gusto natin bigyan ng affordable housing. This gives home ownership within reach, even for non-socialized housing loans, while ensuring that the fund remains financially sustainable. We also have, we also have our short-term home improvement loan, which allows qualified members to borrow up to 300,000 pesos for repairs or home upgrades. Kasi nakalagay po sa survey of housing need, over 1 million needs upgrade lang. Hindi lang kailangan ng bagong bahay. Kaya po naglabas kami ng short-term home improvement loan. Kung hindi naman kailangan i-repair, lagi po solar para makatulong, di ba? Solar panels. This bridges the gap between ownership and livability, ensuring that homes remain safe, functional, and dignified. Our rental housing program offers transitional housing for workers who need to relocate for employment. It supports a rent-to-own pathway that helps members move from being tenants to becoming homeowners. Ano po ang gusto mangyari ng Pag-ibig Fund? With our rental housing program, sana yung mga workers sa mga industrial zones, sa mga eco zones, they will just walk to work. So merong building sa labas, hindi po yung sa loob, no? Or rental, para yung mga transient workers ay umupo na lang doon. Kasi hindi naman yan papasok sa home ownership. Malamang, rental lang ang gusto nila. So we have this rental housing program. And through our acquired assets program, syempre, hindi lahat ng dineliver nyo That is why we have our acquired assets program. We give members the opportunity to purchase pre-owned or pre-loved homes, offering discounts of up to 40% through our centralized online public auction or COPA. Actually, pwede rin tayong sumali. Kung gusto nyo bilhin ulit yung mga housing units o kahit anong acquired asset, in bulk, itaas ang discount nyo. This not only helps families find affordable homes, but also allows Pag-ibig Fund to recycle capital and reinvest the covered funds into new housing loans. Together, these programs reflect our belief that every Filipino deserves a pathway toward decent and affordable shelter, whether through new construction, improvement, transition, or recovery. At Pag-ibig Fund, we believe that the true foundation of every housing program lies not just in the houses we build, but in the financing models that make those homes possible. Because it's not enough to build homes. We must build systems that make these homes affordable, sustainable, and truly attainable for every Filipino worker. Our financing models are designed with 3 goals in mind. First is affordability, which keeps monthly payments within range of our low and middle income earners so that every hardworking Filipino can take that first step toward home ownership. Second is sustainability, which ensures that the Pag-ibig Fund remains financially strong, not just for today's members, but for future generations as well. And third is collaboration, because inclusive housing can only happen when government, developers, and the private sector work together toward one shared vision, a nation where every Filipino has a home to call their own. These guiding principles come to life in our approach to the expanded 4PH program. Looking ahead, we continue to innovate. Ayaw pa rin tumigil. We are developing hybrid financing models that combine public funds, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, institutional investments, and member savings. Take note, we are not borrowing money or generating funds through securitization, bond rotation. All our funds come from the savings of the Filipino worker. That is why we can afford to give interest rates at a very low rate of 3%. Once we borrow, ito yung ang kulit-kulit ko talaga, kapag si Pag-ibig Fund ay umutang na, maswerte kung may magpapautang ng 3%. Mayroon mang magpapautang ng 3%, wala. Pagka kami ay umutang na, wari, yung collection performance ay nakakababa. Kailangan na namin umutang because we have to save the shelter industry. Alam nyo naman po siguro, yung ULP bailout. Alam nyo ba yung nangyari sa ULP bailout, yung Unified